Hello, my name is John Kanonoho. I'm the team leader at Jonah Limited, where we get to give you credit facility, where we get to give you loans. So if you need money, we actually get to give you money. You get to check us out at www.jonahholdings.com. So I'm yet here to share with you what the Lord has put on my heart, as I always do. And if you've checked out my YouTube videos, previous ones, is that I have passion for financial industry. And I want that if you play in this industry, you actually have to grow. Do you have a choice? You actually have to grow. So I'd love that you actually grow with me, that we grow together. So today I have quite an interesting topic. And this is a topic that actually cuts across irrespective of the business or the industry that you play in. It's a topic that is very pertinent and so close to my heart because it changes the narrative of the business, and it's none other than embracing technology in your business. And I'm going to share with you the practical bit of it. So you actually have to embrace technology, because if you don't embrace technology, then you actually get to regret why you didn't. And sometimes the regret could even mean the close of the business, and then you get to suffer. So it is important to actually get to embrace technology. So you may be asking yourself, how can I embrace technology? One of the avenues, especially if you play in the money lending industry, is can you use technology to reduce on your turnaround time? Because you see, the client moves away from the bank because the bank has told them or has told him or her that this loan is going to take 3 months. And yet the client wants money in 1 day, wants money in 6 hours. So he wouldn't wish to leave the bank that has told him 3 days, and he comes to you as a lender and you're actually telling them the same thing. So what does technology do? It's meant to reduce on the turnaround time. That if you're going to take 2 days, now you can actually take 1 day, or you can even take a few hours. So it is important that you embrace technology. So what can you do? One of the things is, use a system as a lender. Get a system, an online system. You actually can get the one that you can afford. And as you grow, you can grow with that system, or you can get a better system. So you can imagine if you're serving, for example, if you do daily loans and you're serving like 500 clients. Do you know what it means to collect from 500 clients? Will you remember the dates when you issued the loans? Will you manage to know how much you've made? You will either run mad or you will close business. So it is important that you actually get to embrace a system that can ease your work. A system that can notify clients. Because look, you're serving busy people. Because some of these clients are business people. They have busy schedules. They even forget. So you don't want to have any excuse when to a client. The client should not have any excuse. You do not notify me. You did not communicate to me. Why do you call me on the due day? With the system, it can even notify the client 3 days in advance, 5 days in advance, and it comes notifying them both on email and text message. And then you don't even have to suffer. And there is evidence on the phone of the client that, I notified you for this long. How come it has come to the due date and it's still telling me stories? So it is important that you actually get to embrace a system that can get to support you, and that is technology. So embrace the system. So one of the avenues is get a system that can actually get to track your clients, update your clients, and help your clients. The other area where you can actually get to embrace a system, and in this area you actually don't even have a choice. So previously, if you use car logbook as a collateral, we used to move. You go to the bank, then you move to RA in Akawa. Based in the country you're in, probably you actually have to do a lot of physical movements, moving here and there to put a caveat on the car logbook if you do, based on the country you're in. But now you can actually do it at the comfort of your chair, at the comfort of your table. You can sit on your laptop and actually put a caveat on the logbook of the client without moving. You can process a payment on the laptop and actually get to serve a client. So you can imagine the minutes or the hours you'd have wasted in a bank or lined up, or even got to drive in traffic. Now you can actually process the loan faster. And in a way, it reduces the turnaround time, and before you know it, the client is very happy and you're also happy. And before you know it, you're actually getting referral from several other clients that client knows, because you can process the money very quick, because you're providing an alternative to the bank that takes how many days you can take? Few hours, and then you get to serve your clientele. So embrace technology in terms of putting a caveat. But for this one, you don't. If you play in Uganda, in the financial industry in Uganda, and you actually have car loan books as your collateral, you don't have a choice, because they no longer entertain physical, coming in the physical. You actually have to do it on Simple. It is a platform called Simple by USB that you actually have to use to do your caveat. And then 3, you may have to explore. If you've not formalized or registered your business, I know I've done a video on formalizing and registering your business. You can check it. You can check it out. And if you've not formalized, now is the time to formalize, because it is getting trickier. The clients are getting wiser, and the fraudsters are taking advantage. So if you've not formalized, now is the time to formalize. Go and register your business and formalize it. And you know what? It's also good information or knowledge to learn about. It's good information to know that you can actually register your business at the comfort of your table without moving an inch. So you can actually do it online. So you don't have to walk physically. If you're in Uganda, to Uganda Registration Services Bureau in Akasero. No. If you're in Barara, you don't even have to drive to Kampala or board a bus to Kampala. No, you can register your business from your station, from your table. You just get online and follow the procedure, follow the prompts, and formalize your business. If you're playing in the lending industry, this should be one of your resolutions this year. Register that business. What excuse do you have? You can actually do it online. And the fees are affordable. The money you have paid, the lawyer, whatever, you can actually get to register formally and have the things done. The other key thing that you might have to explore is getting a license. If you lend money, now a license, you can actually get it online. It's good news. So if you're in Kaberamaido, if you're in Gulu, if you're in Lira, there is a procedure that you can actually get to go through to get a license online. You get to Umrah website and do the process. It is good news. So you actually don't have to move. So explore that option. Embrace technology. Embrace technology. The other key area that you need to embrace technology, especially if you lend money, because now we are working against time. You want to reduce the turnaround time. You want to ease your collections. The other area is payment. The client should not suffer to pay you. Don't tell the client, move to the bank so and so, move to the bank so and so. Make it easier for the client. We have Momo Code, Momo Pay. We have Airtel Pay. Based on the country we're playing in, we have agency banking. So there's no excuse, irrespective of the time. The clients can actually pay online. But it is your responsibility as a lender to educate them. You don't even have to withdraw straight from the client's phone, because some of the charges are high. So make it easier for the clientele to pay. Some of these avenues can even birth another business. They can birth a forex. If a client has been paying in dollars, you can have an option for a USD account, a dollar account. Or you can have an option of a forex. If you run the forex, if the client pays using mobile money, create that Momo, meet that cost, but make it very easy for the client. Make it seamless for the client to pay you. You guys, there are lots of things that actually chew money. If the money is in the client's hands and because he wants to pay you, let it be easy, so the client has no excuse but to actually pay you. So based on the business you're playing, this even cuts across. Does not apply to lending alone, but it cuts across all other businesses. Make it easy for the clients to pay you. The final bit that I can actually leave with you is that make yourself available, make yourself accessible, make yourself readily available. I get angry of the websites that have contacts that never go through, that have contacts that expired. Boss, update your website. If you shifted from a Kisache mall and you went probably to a certain mall or went to another address, update your location. Otherwise, it will be a disgrace for your clients to bounce. It will be a disgrace to the clients to actually search out your contacts and it's not available. You don't know how it feels You've tested it. You can imagine picking a number, wanting to give someone business, or wanting to call someone, and the number is not available. You get stuck. Create an avenue for the client to be easy to communicate to you. Create a WhatsApp option. Create a number for them to contact. Create an email that is easy for them. Create a website. Create a channel. If you're a business person and you're serious about what it is that you're doing, please have this. Please have this, because they are one of the avenues that actually help you to become visible. So for your visibility and for the sake of your growth, please make it easy for the clients to learn about you. If someone searches about you as a lender, can they get you? If someone searches about your company, can they contact you? If they lost your number and they want to look you up and be able to pay up, can they access you? So with those, go out and embrace technology. We are playing now with artificial intelligence, where artificial intelligence can even predict what the client is going to think next. What is going to be the next move of the client? Are you stepping up your steps? Are you stepping up your game? There are some systems that have embraced artificial intelligence. They can even, ease the way you analyze your data. They can ease your analytics of the data. They can know that the clients that are very good and they pay very well fall in this age bracket. The AI can even analyze data for you. But have you embraced artificial intelligence? This is technology. So this year 2024, please make it a point that you get to embrace technology for the sake of the growth of your business. Because you know what? That business is not about you. It's about the employees that you have. It's about the clients that you serve. And it's about, huge other dependents that depend on you. But above all, it's about the Lord that put it in your hands, because God gave you that business. He had an option of giving it to someone else. So you owe to do it, to steward it, to direct it, to govern it very well, because it will give Him the glory. It will glorify His name, but above all, it will get to benefit you and your several family members and your lineage and your dependents and your employees. It's not about you. So let that business stand. With that, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. You can always comment, like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, but also check us out as always on www.jonakiholdings.com. Thank you and God bless you.